What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. I hope you guys are having a good day today. We are super excited to be doing an intro video to the one and only Anthony's 2019 5.0 Ford Mustang. What exactly are we gonna do? Let's go ahead and show you guys the highlights of the car before we go to all the details that we're gonna be giving a new look to Anthony. The first thing we must do on this 5.0, guys, is unwrapping the film. Right now, Anthony has Avery's gloss black film and tech wrap chrome film on there as well. Before we even start doing anything, we gotta prep the car, and the first step is unwrapping the film. It's gonna be a little bit challenging, but we are in for it, and we cannot wait to give him a brand new wrap. What's the wrap gonna be? Let's go ahead and bring it out right now, highlight the color next to the car to show you what the color that Anthony will be going with. We are super excited to give Anthony Avery's Gloss Sea Breeze Blue full on all over the car with some awesome accents. His goal is to get this color fully wrapped on his build, and eventually, as we keep building this car, we're gonna be adding carbon fiber. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started by unwrapping the film first, prepping the car, and after that, show you guys the process when we wrap this Ford Mustang. What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. I hope you guys are having a good day today. I have right next to me a beautiful 5.0 Mustang, fully wrapped in an awesome Avery color. What's that color? Let's go ahead and dive into details and show you all the amazing accents that we've done with this build and move forward from there. Introducing our 5.0 Avery Sea Breeze Blue full-on wrap with some awesome gloss black highlights and accenting the GT500 bumper that Anthony got from us. Let's dive into all the details and show you all the cool accents that we've done on this build. Alright guys, so as you can see, Anthony, when we first met him, when he was wrapped in the Tech Wrap Chrome, we went and started out and equipped him with our GT500 Bumper conversion kit for the 18 to 20 Mustang. We gave him an awesome accent in gloss black to make sure it contrasts with the Seabreeze blue Avery film. That way he has a very mean, aggressive look. And one of my favorite things on this bumper as well, guys, as you can see, we painted not just the accents on the lip and the fog light bezel, but we also painted the front protection bar, and we engraved the GT logo on here that comes with our bumper and erased the 500 to make sure it blends in with the car. And lastly, my favorite part is the front lip that just contrasts really well with the top, the middle, and the bottom. Alright guys, moving over to the top, as you can see, the hood was fully wrapped in the Seabreeze blue and Avery, accenting it with 3M 2080 gloss black to make sure it blends the theme that it deserves with this build that we have. Moving over to the fenders and the side, everything was fully wrapped in the Seabreeze Avery blue, giving the car a very nice, bright attraction color that it deserves. Moving over to the side, guys, the mirror, the handles, and the 5.0 was fully blacked out. Again, giving this a satin look, but the mirror and the handles in gloss black 2080 to make sure it stands out with the front accents that he's got going on. Moving over to the top, guys, my favorite thing is the whole roof is in gloss black, blended it in with the rear window, but also the antenna was fully wrapped by accenting and contrasting it by the Seabreeze blue to make sure it blends in the way it should be. One of my favorite parts about the rear, guys, as you can see, everything is contrasted correctly with this car. From the rear, as you can see, his taillights and middle piece right where the trunk is at right here, it's all gloss black. So what we did with the spoiler, the top part of it is a beautiful gloss black 2080 3M, but the middle leg right here, we decided to add a nice little film action right here to make sure it contrasts really well, and we left it two sides gloss black to make sure it blends in with a good contrast. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up if you love this wrap on a 5.0. I think this wrap matches very perfectly on the 5.0 Mustang rather than other cars. I've seen this Seabreeze on an i8 before. Wasn't too my favorite, but again, every car with the color that you guys choose blends in the way it should be. This color is perfectly made for the Mustang, especially with the gloss black accents. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next build. Peace. Wait till you get to the front. Yeah, it's so clean. Yeah. Simple. Film is like laid on very comfortably, going over with the accents on the handles, the mirrors. I'll be talking to you about the banner as well very soon on that. And look at just this, sorry. Oh my God. I'm telling you, man, this whole front end with the GT, no more obviously having it, you know, with the 5.0 giving it that GT.
Dude, this is insane, bro. You guys killed it. Oh shit. It's like literally.
It's like a brand new car.
Yeah.
I was just like, you know, seeing that chrome and just putting this on it right now, it just blends in so well, especially that gloss. You killed it with the roof being gloss. I think that was cool, and then you see the contrast with the, you know, just seeing that little small touch to it. As you can see, we did this gloss black, but I gave you a nice contrast just right here. But I still kept the others, you know, with that. And then, good choice on the bumper. This is the part where obviously we talked about, but it was kind of nice. A lot better. No worries. It was a lot better because we had a lot of black going on.
Man, holy. This is way better than the cone that I had.
Oh yeah, dude, and it's Avery too. So, cool things about it too. If you check out the lines, you can actually see the gray now. Kind of cool, but everything's all nice and straight. You know, no wavy, nothing.
Yeah,
all that good stuff. Yeah, 100%, right? Love this thing, man. Honestly, I can't wait till this Sunday.
By far, my favorite part is how like you did like the
how you like exactly
the trim, because it just like goes with it. You know what I mean?
So well. Just right, the front is super aggressive, especially with the hood. You know, banging gloss black as well with the accents, and then the lip, and painting that gloss black was a must, because if I was flat black, I was gonna throw it off.
And this paint job came out amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
And so much detail into it.
So much. The little things, right? And that's where the build's gonna stand out a lot better at the end, and long terms too. So
Definitely, yes, sir.
let's go. Let's go. Love it, man. Let's go. Anytime, man. It's all love here. All love.